Okay, they're asking us what is an equation of the line. Notice they're not asking what is the equation, because there are an infinite number of equations you can write for any line. And in fact, particularly when written in point slope form, because you could pick any point and that would change the equation. So what we really want to do is we want to figure out slope to see whether we're using the right slope. Now watch. You can pick any 2 points. Like if you pick the 2 points that are closest together, like this one and that one, then you'll get a number that you don't need to simplify. But if we just use the points that they gave us, then we can say, how much do you rise? How much do you run? Okay. We have a positive slope here. We're rising in a positive direction, running in a positive direction. How many do we rise? To use our laser tool. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over a run of 1, 2. So what we get as the slope is 8 over 2, or 4 over 1, which is just 4. We should have a slope of 4. So the only answer that has that is D. That's promising for our answer. Now let's take a look at what they used as a point to make sure that our line actually does go through this point. They have an x plus 1. That means minus 1 for x is that coordinate, and they have a plus 3 here, means minus 3. We need to, if it's going to be D, we need to make sure that our line is actually going through that point of -1 comma -3. So let's see where -1 comma -3 is. Here's our origin. We go over to -1, down to -3. Yes, our line is going through that point. It has that slope. The answer indeed is D.